Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you all will be fine. Today we are going to read unit number 2, The Lucky Leaf, and the page number is 13. So let's start reading. First of all, let me explain you the difficult words. First word is cry, C-R-Y, cry, and it means to shed tears because you are upset or hurt. It simply means to weep. The second word is lost, and lost mean gone missing. Just like you say, I lost my bag, I lost my pencil. So before start reading, let me explain you the overall summary of the story. So there is a girl, Rahila. She has just lost her golden bangle. Just like you see that she is wearing some bangles as well in her hand. So she also had golden bangles, but she has just lost it, and she has become able to find golden bangle just because of leaf. So that leaf was found to be lucky for her. So this is the whole story about. Now let's start reading. Rahila is crying, underline crying. Rahila रो रही है. She has lost her golden bangle, underline golden bangle or lost, because Rahila lost her golden bangle. So Rahila is crying. Don't cry, Rahila, says mom. Go and play. And Rahila's mom said to Rahila, don't cry, don't worry about the golden bangle. Go outside and play. Rahila goes outside. So Rahila बाहर आ जाती हैं. She sits under the wood apple tree. It is next to the wall. And students, this is the wood apple tree and it is next to the wall. Rahila sits under the wood apple tree. Rahila जो है wood apple tree के नीचे बैठ जाती हैं. Rahila counts the leaves on the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. Students, आप counts और leaves को underline करेंगे. जो leaves हैं राहिला इनको काउंट करना स्टार्ट करती हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4. One leaf is falling from the tree. और दरख्त से ट्री से एक पत्ता जो है वो गिर रहा है. The wind blows, हवा चल रही है. Underline falling and also blows. It carries the leaf up into the air. और the wind carries the leaf up into the air. Wind जो है वो हवा में पत्ते को मज़ीद फ्लाई करवा रही है, उड़ा रही है, लेकर जा रही है ऊपर की तरफ. द लीफ इज़ नाउ इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर. अब लीफ जो है वो राहिला के सामने है. राहिला स्टैंड्स अप. राहिला खड़ी हो जाती है. स्टूडेंट अंडरलाइन द स्टैंड्स अप. द विंड स्टार्ट्स अगेन. हवा दोबारा से चलना शुरू हो जाती है. द लीफ डांसेस अप एंड डाउन. अंडरलाइन डांसेस. स्टूडेंट्स, लीफ जो पत्ता है वो अब डांस कर रहा है ऊपर और नीचे की तरफ, लेफ्ट एंड राइट, दाएं और बाएं की तरफ. इट टर्न्स एंड टर्न्स, और वो गोल गोल घूम रहा है. इट स्पिन्स लाइक अ टॉप, और गोल गोल घूम रहा है लाइक अ टॉप. स्टूडेंट्स अंडरलाइन स्पिन्स. इट क्लाइम्स हाई अबव द रूफ. क्लाइम्स को भी आप अंडरलाइन करेंगे. व्हाट फन, सेज राहिला. एंड राहिला, who was just worried a few minutes before, she is now happy because she is making fun of a leaf. Rahila runs after the leaf. Rahila leaf के पीछे भाग रही है. It moves in front of her and behind her. Students, underline moves and also behind. और leaf जो है वो कभी उसके in front आगे की तरफ और sometime back side पर पीछे की तरफ आ जाता है. Soon the leaf falls into a hole. Underline hole. जल्द ही क्या होता है कि लीफ गिर जाता है एक सुराख पर, होल पर. It is at the side of a rose bush. Rahila picks up the leaf. She finds her golden bangle under it. As Rahila is running after the leaf, and you can see a number of rose plants behind her. Just at the side of the rose bush there was a hole, and the leaf was fall on the hole. And when Rahila goes to pick up the leaf, what she find? She has found golden bangle, and she become surprised. Rahila laughs. Underline laughs. She takes the bangle and the lucky leaf to show mom. Students, why does Rahila laugh? Rahila laughs because she found her golden bangle. She takes the bangle and the lucky leaf to show mom and tell her story, and now she is happy because she found her golden bangle. Hope students you are enjoying the story because this is very interesting story, and students now read the stories and underline difficult words and learn the spelling of the difficult words also. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. Students, today your task is keywords and words meaning, and you do this work on neat notebooks. First of all students, make a check of the unit, and students you can draw anything. जो भी चीज़ आप easily draw कर सकते हैं आप वो draw कीजिएगा, उसमें आप write कीजिएगा unit number 2 the lucky leaf. Then students properly prepare the notebooks, draw margin line, write date and day, HW unit number 2 lesson number 1 the lucky leaf, and the topic is keywords, and the words are number 1 is tears, next number 2 is crying, number 3 is bangle, number 4 outside, number 5 wind, number 6 carries, number 7 spins, number 8 leaf, number 9 rose bush, and number 10 word is wood apple tree. After writing keywords students, you will prepare the next page, and on this page you also draw margin line and also mention date and day, and on this page you will write topic, vocabulary, words, meanings. First word is cry, or cry mean rona, and it's mean to shed tears. Next word is lost, lost mean gone missing, गुम हो जाना, खो जाना. Next number 3rd word is lucky, and it's mean to have good luck. Next number 4 is carry, to take, and the last word is rose bush, a bush that produces rose. Okay student, do this work neatly. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are all fine. Students, today your topic is sentence formation. So properly prepare your notebook, draw margin line, write date and day, unit number 2, lesson number 1, then write the topic, sentence formation. After this you will write words, sentences, and also draw a line between words and sentences. First word is lucky, and lucky mean to have good luck. And the sentence is I am very lucky. She is very lucky. Rahila is very lucky. Next word is crying, and the sentence is Sana is crying. Next word is leaf. Leaf is green. Next word is climb. Ali is climbing. Last word is lost. Lost means to gone missing. Sarah has lost her ring. This is your today's work, and students you also make sentences by your own. आप खुद से भी sentence making कर सकते हैं, बना सकते हैं. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. Students, today your task is sentence formation, and these words are taken from unit number 2 the lucky leaf. And students make sentences on loose sheet or rough register. आप rough register या loose sheet पर इनकी रिटर्न प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. एंड द वर्ड्स आर बैंगल. फर्स्ट वर्ड बैंगल है, और बैंगल का सेंटेंस आप बना सकते हैं आई हैव मैनी बैंगल्स, आई हैव कलरफुल बैंगल्स, आई लाइक बैंगल्स. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज लीव्स. देयर आर मैनी लीव्स. नेक्स्ट मूव्स, डांसेस, स्पेन्स. स्टूडेंट्स आप ये वर्ड्स यूनिट नंबर 2 में रीड कर चुके हैं. नाउ मेक सेंटेंसेस बाय योर ओन. आपने खुद से सेंटेंस मेकिंग की प्रैक्टिस करनी है ऑन लूज शीट और रफ रजिस्टर. थैंक यू सो मच. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.